Hi guys, so we have two computers and two UVs. That's the quartz cuvette. For the UV we're gonna use, there are four of them here in this below drawer. You're gonna make sure you clean, and then first make sure that when you put that, it's gonna be inside from the clear side inside. The clear side goes here. That's the important part. Make sure before you use the chem wipe, that if there is no fingerprint, that's how you're gonna put it inside. The clear side should go, basically the light should pass from it. When we go here, you're gonna start. You are going to keep it empty first. You don't put your cuvette first. Start this. Go, it says variant scan program. It takes time to start. You don't need to hit any button. You're gonna wait. You hear a sound is working, right? And then it's gonna stop. You're gonna go to setup here. You're gonna basically choose what is your range of wavelengths. Here is basically 350. Basically you just zoom in, right, to just pick your interested wavelengths. That's the wavelengths that you're gonna choose to go between 210 to 350 nanometer. I would put this to 0, the Y minimum, and then you're gonna do here, you're gonna choose medium. We don't want to very quickly the system scan this. You want the medium speed. Then you're gonna go to baseline. You're gonna choose a baseline correction. Then you're gonna go to auto store, and you're gonna choose a storage off. Then we are okay here, and then you just hit okay for now. And now you're gonna put your, after you did that, you're gonna put your sample, which is your blank. Put it inside. 34 is enough. Put it up to 34 of it. Put it inside there, and imagine I put my blank. I put it inside. Make sure I already wiped it with a chem wipe. I put it in here, and then I close that, and I'm gonna start with a baseline correction. Just hit baseline correction. I'm gonna hit a start, and then it's gonna do the baseline correction. Here, because I don't have anything there, so it kind of shows up weird. But look at here, it's 0.004. This is okay if you get around 0.0005. Up to 0.005 is fine. You don't need to subtract every time. That's fine. Then you are going to put your sample, remove this one, and then remove the solution, and start from the lower concentration of your sample, your standards actually. So you start from your standards. You put your start from this concentration, start from caffeine or either from benzoic acid, start from lowest concentration, and then you're gonna record two wavelengths. One is gonna be around 235, and one is gonna be around 270. So you're gonna record for each standard two wavelengths. So you might see for one of them is very low. Absorbance is fine. We just want to record both wavelengths for each of the standard. Okay, so one around 235, one is around 270. You're gonna record. So you have 10 standards. So you're gonna have basically for each standard you're gonna record two wavelengths. So it's gonna be 20, right, absorbances. You're gonna have 3 Mountain Dew solutions. So it's gonna be again 2 wavelengths. You're gonna record for each wavelength around 235 and around 270 you record. So it's gonna be 6 absorbances for the Mountain Dew, and it's gonna be 1 unknown. Again 2 absorbances for the unknown. You don't need to do the subtract from baseline as long as it's a very low baseline. If you see that is high, you're gonna redo your baseline, you know, before you start your samples, you know. So we should make sure this is very low, around 0.0005 is fine. Okay, that's it, guys.